Welcome back to Data Dozen. I'm Erin Darty, and I'm so glad you're here for Dashboard 4. Take a look at what we're building. We're still working with that name data from the 20th century Social Security cards, and we're diving into the question of how individual names vary in popularity by sex. While many names like Mary are almost exclusively associated with a single sex, other names like Kelly show up on both female and male Social Security cards. We can actually see Kelly's popularity shift from male to female across the 20th century, spiking in the late 60s and 70s. As you can see, Dashboard 4 has 3 visualizations. It all starts with the scatter plot. Each name is represented by its own circle and plotted on the 2 axes based on the total number of female and male Social Security cards. Names that are dominated by either female or male records sit much closer to their respective axes, but names that are more evenly split between the sexes will move closer to this reference line of 45 degrees. Now, if we want to find a specific name, we can use the highlighter above the scatter plot, and we can also zoom into the scatter plot using this toolbar here, which lets us explore names that are otherwise dwarfed by the scale required to plot really popular names like James and Mary. When we find a name that interests us, we can click on it and see how that name has changed over time. And the line graph shows us how the female and male totals have changed by year, while the 100% stacked bar chart aggregates these totals by decade and shows us the split by percentage. Now, to build this entire dashboard, there are 8 steps. The first 4 steps are all about the scatter plot, and the last 4 steps build everything else. So here we go. Step 1, we'll make 2 new calculated fields to create our male and female axes. Step 2, we'll build our scatter plot. Step 3, we'll add our name highlighter. Step 4, we'll build our 45-degree reference line. Step 5, we'll build our line graph. Step 6, we'll learn how to create a 100% stacked bar chart. And then in step 7, use bins to aggregate those stacked bars by decade. And finally, in step 8, we'll design our dashboard with a little help from Tableau's global formatting. All right, Dashboard 4 has a lot of individual pieces working together, so let's dive in. We'll take it one step at a time, and we'll get started by making those 2 new variables for our scatter plots axes.